I would go all by myself in the day or the night. I don't care about the fighting. If I was drunk enough, I just might end your life. Didn't care about police, I was riding. Pull up in your spot, boy, I'm drinking and driving. My mama say stop, but I ain't compromising. Boy, I'm thugging hard to the day that I'm dying. Smoking on that ganja till I feel like flying. Them X's and O's make me feel like I'm dying. And the A-ball make me feel like you lying. I know that God came in the right time. With the 07 Camry seat. Yeah, I'll just give it some content real quick. Some content. Little camera. Cause you know they don't have any they have 0 videos on this.
Oh, for real?
None.
So you about to do this first?
Well, I ain't gonna show them how to do it. I'm just gonna just give them real quick. Got these 2 bolts here on the crossmember. Other 2 over there. I'm gonna disconnect these 2 rods that let's see, they tie against bottom sides over here. This spindle or the knuckle, and this one over here, 19 millimeters. Also took out the cross sway bar bracket. It was held up against that, and drop this back end of the muffler. Just a few bolts, it's not very difficult. And on this side, so you can have enough clearance to lower this out. So we got these 2 off. Only thing holding on are those 2 bolts on that side, it should be. And just gonna draw down. Got the replacement over here. Put it back up the same way. I would go all by myself in the day or the night. I don't care about the fighting. If I was drunk enough, I just might end your life. Didn't care about police, I was riding. Pull up in your spot, boy, I'm drinking and driving. My mama say stop, but I ain't compromising. Boy, I'm thugging hard to the day that I'm dying. Smoking on that ganja till I feel like flying. Them X's and O's make me feel like I'm dying. And the A-ball make me feel like you lying. I know that God came in the right time.